Hi.
Hello. It's Tim and Tammy time. And today we're at Dowdell's Knob near Pine Mountain, Georgia. This was FDR's favorite place to picnic, and the grill that he used is still out here. And we're going to go check that out. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
And we love y'all. Close at 5 p.m.
What time is it? About 4? It's
Yeah.
4 o'clock. This is just a beautiful view.
It is.
Okay, so here we go.
All right, here we go.
This is Franklin Delano Roosevelt, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When I was a kid, you know, there was an Eleanor Roosevelt.
Yeah.
And I always called him Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And
Okay.
it hadn't been long I realized what I had been doing for a long time. He looks like a pleasant fella.
He does. And this is one of the reasons you come, this view right here. Oh yeah. That's the view.
Mr. Roosevelt, that was a grill. That was his grill right here. It's not a grill anymore. That was it. He had that grill put up here. Because he...
The grill right there. We're going to look at it closer in just a minute, but I'll go ahead and focus on it. Look here, y'all. It may not be the great Smoky Mountains or the mountains in Colorado, but hey, still pretty. Still a great view. Loved to picnic here, and he had this grill built. It was filled in to preserve it. But they did preserve it. It is filled in, but this is the structure. And we're going to set this up right there. From atop the grill. And there's Tammy. Tammy likes to sit on rocks.
Tammy likes to sit in the shade.
Yeah, it is shady over there in the rocks. Hmm?
I elbowed you and I said, oh, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. I love the way you can see the different colors in the trees.
Yeah.
Some are lighter, some are darker. Some, they're kind of starting, I'm going to say this, kind of starting to take on a fall kind of look. The ones that's not evergreens.
Well, it's almost October. So,
yeah, but
I guess so.
we're in the South.
Yeah, we are.
All like December 25th.
Yeah.
Be careful.
There are trails in Pine Mountain. And this is a map.
This trail we're looking at, though, goes to a B-25 plane crash.
Yeah.
Memorial Rock.
It does.
Never heard of a B-25.
Pine Mountain
B-52.
Trail. B-25 plane crash, Memorial Rock.
It's just 600 feet, but y'all, it's a tough 600 feet.
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of rocks.
A lot of hills. It's like we're on a mountain or something.
I know it. I don't understand that. I love the mountains. The only part about the mountains I don't like is the hills. I mean, they're almost like steps.
Worse.
At least you got rails with steps.
You gotta be careful.
And easy to trip over all these rocks if you're not watching where you're going. Leaning tree.
Yeah.
Anytime we come across a park or something, we always come across fallen trees.
Wonder why.
Might have the trees have fallen.
This is a good place to pay attention and watch out for creepy crawlies.
True.
This is rocky terrain right here.
More fallen trees.
You know, it's funny up here. You listen, you feel like you hear water running, but that's not water. It is the wind.
Yeah. All right, now this is a little tricky, dear. Step. A wood step.
Be careful because the whole wood could fall down, you know?
Kind of looks that way, don't it?
Well, ain't no kind about it. It is rotating.
Okay, I think this is the part where we turn right.
Yeah, you're right. See, y'all, first time we ever did this, there's no sign, so you don't know what to do.
Oh, there's a sign down there.
There is, but you have to go across to find it.
But you could keep going on the trail. That actually leads back up to Dowdell's Knob. So,
It does. And I think it was a lot easier trail than what we just followed.
and then there's that tree right there.
All right.
You could sit up under that tree. But we have a little entryway here.
And see, this is actually a part of a much larger trail in the Pine Mountain Trail system.
Yeah. And it's tricky. But I'm handling myself rather well
You can't reach
as
it
I
with the
slip
other
and
side.
fall.
Don't slip, don't fall.
Okay, so you got signs here going all over the place. Turn it over to Tammy while my hand wakes up. Whew.
Okay, so we go right. We'll be headed toward Bethel Creek Campsite and the country store. The country store is 14 miles. I don't think we're going to be hiking there today. We'll drive there. It's a lot easier. If you go left 2 to 8 miles, you got Sparks Creek Campsite, Dowdell Knob Loop, and WJSP TV Tower.
And up here
Yeah.
is a sign.
Franklin D. Roosevelt Memorial Trail National Scout Trail. And then there's Dowdell's Knob sign right over there. Right here, though, somewhere down here, it's going to tell you about that, I think. No, it don't. They just dropped us completely about this marker.
Probably have to walk down here a little ways.
We're going to go down here and find it because it really is not far.
Over to Tammy a little way since it's pretty much straight here.
Oh, did y'all hear that? He turned the camera over to me since
Blue blades.
since it's pretty much straight here because he don't trust me on them rocks. But the fact of the matter is,
My hand's falling asleep. That's
no, the fact of the matter is this. I wouldn't have wanted the camera coming down them rocks anyway because I was watching my feet.
Ah, so you want me to follow it? Yeah, okay.
We hadn't done any hiking yet. Well, we hadn't done any hiking this part of the season. We hiked back in the winter and spring, but now it's the end of summer. Fall is just so close, you can just taste it. So, you know, we'll get back into hiking just a little bit again. It's actually something we very much enjoy doing.
Well, some of our earlier videos, we went to a lot of the state parks. in Georgia. Y'all go back and take a look at it.
We did a lot of hiking.
We did, and maybe we can go back, revisit some of those parks a little later on as it gets cooler. We still do small towns, of course. But
This particular hike we're on right now is one where you got the woods all around you. So if you could see past the trees to our left, it's a beautiful view because we're up here on top of the mountain.
yeah, you can see the view that we were getting when we was at Dowdell.
Right, and that's just to the left of us. And I can tell right now that coming down here is going to be a lot easier than getting out because we're going all downhill right now, folks.
And it's supposed to be 600 feet. There's a spider web. Gigantic spider web.
Woo! Okay, I see that spider web. I don't know if y'all can see that spider
I
web.
see the spider.
Is that the spider?
That's the spider in the center.
I think it is. Wow, we ain't gonna mess with that joker. He can have his web or she can have her web. I don't know. And we're just gonna walk around by.
It's going to be about 600 feet.
It was only supposed to be 600 feet last time.
Like, 600 miles ago.
It was only supposed to be 600 feet last time we come down here, and it
So
seems
we've
to
been
get
walking for 600 miles.
at least 6 years.
There's Steve.
There's just not anything we can do about it. It doesn't matter. He's going to exaggerate. Extreme.
I'm walking behind her this time. I usually walk ahead.
So I'm slowing him down, y'all. That's what he's saying.
No.
That's okay. I'm going to slow him down. If I was behind him, I'd slow him down. You know why? Every once in a while, he realizes I'm not there anymore, and he just has to stop and wait.
So we're at 700 miles and we still haven't got to the plane crash. The rock of the plane crash. We ain't going to actually see.
Yeah, there's just a rock down here. It's just a memorial.
No, I'm tripped.
Yeah, I heard that. Please don't.
What's all these little rocks around?
I'm going to tell you what, though. Just look down through there.
Yeah.
These are beautiful woods.
They are.
I mean, it's just beautiful.
There's
Look,
another rock.
is that a blue blaze?
That's a blue blaze.
That's a blue blaze on
the
a rock. And there's one of Tim's trees. You know, Tim has trees that he's friends with.
I'm a tree hugger, see?
Whoa!
Don't fall backwards. It would not be good.
It would not be good.
There's the leaning tree of Georgia. I just made that up.
Yeah, we heard you.
I think there's a sign.
I see the rock.
As we are, about 800 miles away from the entry into this thing.
And Tim's getting all the way off the path. You know what? The path, if you get off the path, look, he ain't walking on near as many rocks as I am.
Still a little shaky.
Yeah, should have got the stick side the trunk. Yeah, you can kind of see the view there. Should have got the sticks out of the trunk. They're there.
Oh, here it is.
Now, one person survived this plane crash.
We found the rock.
I don't think he found the rock, but the guy who survived the plane crash, and I hadn't read this in a long time, but I think it was headed to Andrews Air Force Base. It was flying from Eglin, not Elgin. I always say it wrong. Eglin Air Force Base to Andrews Air Force Base. 4 people died in the crash. There was one survivor, a 19-year-old passenger from New Jersey. And the passenger and the daughter of the pilot came and placed this rock here in November 2012 on Veterans Day weekend in memorial of the crash here.
And this is near the site. We really don't know exactly. I don't know if it's up that way or back that way.
But the crash happened in 1953, so, it's been 70.
There's actually quite a bit of open area
70
through
years.
Here.
Back then, though, you don't know what this is opened up by the park
Oh, yeah.
commission or whatever it is. The CCC. Yeah.
No, you.
Lord help y'all, I gotta go straight uphill. Look at this. Look at this. Look what this man has done to me.
This is a 90-degree incline.
Oh my goodness.
Blue blaze.
Like the Smurfs. La 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 la.
Well, you know, you look at this,
How much further now?
it's a little confusing. Not really, but you could
make up your mind.
You could get confused because there's a lot of open area here. So where's the trail and where's not the trail? But you can kind of see it.
Tim's getting confused.
But I'm talking in circles.
Yeah, you kind of taken on that aspect lately. Are you channeling your...
No, I'm not. Feel that breeze.
Don't it feel good?
Oh, I can't believe we missed that.
Oh, goodness, that's the tree you was hugging. You just don't want to go outside.
This is the tree I hugged.
Wow, that put some pep in its step.
I haven't done this in a while. Of course, you can't see down, but you can see up. Dang gum, Tammy done got way ahead of me. She's getting back at me. Oh good, this is level ground right here. I know that's what she's doing. Hold up a second. Y'all, I don't remember. I want to say it was Manchester. It was one town. You can find the video. She thought I'd done left her. She turned around and I was gone.
That was the hotel in Warm Springs.
The hotel in Warm Springs. And so I go and stop and look at the tree, and next thing I know, she's gone and way ahead of me. So she get back at me.
I'm not getting back at you. You made me stop.
Yeah, I'm starting to breathe hard now because we're going uphill. No, that's fine. Guess y'all don't want to hear my breathing.
Well, you get to hear mine.
Well, I mean, you know, we've been traveling 1,000 feet or more, 1,000 miles.
Y'all get that? 1,000 feet turn into 1,000 miles. 1,000 feet turn into 1,000 miles.
It's been a while since we went hiking, so you know, I'm out of shape here.
It don't matter. Either way, we'd be out of shape on this one.
Yeah. Okay. Back at that.
Oh, Lord. Now, see, this is the problem right here. Look. Look, he said, and we're on level ground. Yeah, we were.
That's a good 100-degree angle. Y'all watch this. Watch this.
Woo! Uh-oh. Tim's being attacked by stickers. What? Poor thing. Tim looked at it and said, poor thing. It's just he said it in such a weak voice. He said it in such a weak voice I couldn't understand what he said, so there. Y'all probably hear me breathing pretty heavy right now. This is tough. Woo.
I don't know why this tree's leaning so bad.
It walked this walk. People have leaned on it.
Yeah. Sit.
Whew. Oh, look at there. Got one of those shadow wave things. That's me playing Simon Says with other YouTubers, you know. Oh boy. Look, I see a vehicle. I'm close.
I was going to say, I have one criticism. You reached the beginning or the end, or whatever this is. There's no place to sit. I'm wrong. There's a place to sit.
There's a place to sit. Hand me the keys. Hand me the keys.
No. I'm going to make a prediction here. I bet Tammy went to the car to grab a bottle of water. And guess what? I would be right.
And I tried
she's
really
gonna
hard
be
not
generous.
to finish it.
Go ahead.
I'm through.
Oh,
I'm
you
through.
finished it.
I'm good. Oh, we got 2 cases of water in the trunk.
Oh,
That's
I
why
know.
It's hot because it's. Whew.
So Pine Mountain Trail, Dowdell's Knob, cool place to visit on a Sunday afternoon. So this has been
Our breathless adventure. And Take 2. Our breathless adventure. I can't even say adventure now. Take 3. Our breathless adventure at Dowdell's Knob in Warm Springs, Georgia. This is FDR's favorite scenic spot. He loved to picnic here, and he had a grill built out there. And we thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe. And
we love y'all.
there you go.